In today's session, we will study about Digital Documentation Advanced Unit 1. Then first is create and apply styles in the document. Then first question is what is a style? A style is a set of formats that you can apply to selected pages, text, frames and other elements in your document to quickly change their appearance. Mean to say, style is a formatting of text. With the styles you can create a combination of font size, font face, font color, bold, italic, etc. Then OpenOffice.org support the following types of styles. Then how we use styles option in OpenOffice Writer. For this, firstly open LibreOffice Writer. Then first option is using the styles and formatting window. For this, firstly select your text. Then on formatting toolbar, all formatting options are available. Then on left hand side, click on style and formatting option. See, then other method is click on format tab, then click on style and formatting option, then shortcut is press F11 functional key. Then when you click on style and formatting option, then on right side style and formatting options will appear with different styles, that is heading or heading 1, 2, 3, etc. For example, when you double click on heading style, then heading style apply on selected text with predefined formatting effect, that is for example font Arial, font size 12, etc. With the same way you can apply other styles, that is heading 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. There are number of style categories, that is paragraph style, character style, frame style, page style, list style. Then paragraph styles, page styles. Page style include margin, header and footer, border and backgrounds. Paragraph style control all the aspects of paragraph appearance such as text alignment, tab stops, line spacing, etc. Then character style. It affects selecting text within a paragraph such as the font and its size, and then bold and italic formats. If you want to work on bullets and numbering, then click on list style. But by default, we work on paragraph and character style. Then next is using fill format mode. This method is quite useful when you need to format many scattered paragraphs, cells or other items with the same style. For this, firstly select any character, then select character style option, then select any style, for example select example style option, then right click on example style option and click on modify option. Character style example dialog box will appear. Then click on font tab. Then according to your requirement, set font name and font size. For example, font name Courier and font size is 14. Then click on OK. Then again click on example style option. Then click on fill format mode option. See. Then suppose if you want to apply this style on line 3, then firstly select the line 3 and it will convert line 3 into example style, that is font Courier and font size is 14. This is fast and quick option. With this you can apply different styles on many areas. Then next is creating a new style from a selection. If you want to create your own style for this, firstly select any line or text, then set required font, that is for example Times New Roman, font size 16, bold option, etc. Now if you want to create this style, for this firstly save the style, then click on new style from selection option, Then create style dialog box will appear, see here. Then write any name for your style, for example new style, then click on OK. Then under styles and formatting box, new style name will appear. Then select the previous formatted line whose font Times New Roman, font size 16 and bold option. Then click on new style option. Then click on update style option. If you want to update the style, then with this new style will be created and updated. The next option is loading style from a template or document. For this, firstly write any text, then apply any font size, bold, italic, underline effect on it. Then click on new style from selection option. Then create a dialog box will appear. Then write any name for your style, that is second style. Then click on OK. Then select your type formatted text. Then click on update style option and save your file with any name, for example that is second name. Then close your file. Then if you want to apply this style to existing document, for this click on new style from selection option again. Then click on load style option. Then load style dialog box will appear. Then click on from file option. Then choose second style name file. Then click on open option. Then click on paragraph style option. Then select option second style. Then click on it. With this selected line style will be changed. Next is drag and dropping to create a style. For this, firstly select any line, then set font, for example Arial black, font size 38 and bold option. Then after selection, press the mouse left click and drag the selected text and drop it into style box. Then create style dialog box will appear. Then here write any name to your style, for example write any name, that is suppose Arial. Then click on OK. Then Arial name is saved in style and formatting box. So with this drag and drop you can create your own style. Thank you.